Guruvandanam, we will start the cultural program.
Primary goal is more concentrated on cultural activities. So we are not looking at any of the religious activities here. So most of our programs for the entire year is going to be cultural activities to give an opportunity for our younger kids to do, for all the people of Fargo, Moorhead and surrounding areas. So we don't know the exact date, but we're just waiting for the mayor's acceptance before we know the exact date. But that's one of the new programs what we're going to start this year. Once again, welcome you all. So let's celebrate the Holi and Easter. Thank you.
So next I would welcome our Vice President, Srimati Leelavati Shivanna, to go over the list of items that we have planned for you for 2024. Srimati Leelavati Shivanna.
Welcome everyone for Holi and Easter celebration through IAGP. This one is a community organization, non-profit organization, to bring everyone in the community here, FM area, to come and take the opportunity with the younger children to bring them here to do the cultural part of the India. So I am going to start. This is our first event for the year, Holi and Easter function.
In India Association of Minnesota, and then we have emailed them and they gave us this green signal to go ahead with that. And we are not yet there when the dates will be, so we need your suggestions. And the plan. Thank you very much. Next is Dr. Shetty.
We have about, actually the numbers have gone up since this function has started. We have 18. We need your support, without which there is no way IAGP can stand. If you need to continue IAGP this way or maybe even better, then of course without financial support it does not go forward, and membership is the only way that it keeps going. So these numbers have been put here for the expenses. In the last year and the year before, the overall expense we had was about $10,000 for the whole year for all the functions. But this year we have a couple of more functions that we have planned for. We used to have 5, but we have about 7 general membership. So whichever works out for you guys, we want your support. Thank you.
I'd like to call upon the President, Vice President, Treasurer and Secretary on the stage. Reading the facilitation reading is one of the first students of Srimati Margaret Sam.
My lovely friend Margaret offered to welcome them in her own way. She came to our house with dosa batter and 3 different types of chutneys and delighted our palates with freshly made crisp masala dosas right on the day of their arrival. My nieces had this to say: I wish Margaret Auntie lived in New York. But that was not the first time that my extended family had met Margaret. They had met her a few years earlier in 2012 when I performed my Bharatanatyam Arangetra under the training and guidance of the immensely talented Margaret Malini Sam. So how did Fargo get to be so lucky to have this incredible person in our midst? And I should say Fargo Moorhead. This is her story. She was born in Mumbai in a middle-class Tamilian family, and miraculously, her parents enrolled her in Bharatanatyam dance lessons when she was barely 4 years old. She has continued dancing since then. Among her various teachers, The one she remembers fondly are the years spent training under Vaijayanti Mala, whom many of you know also made a career in Hindi and other regional movies. Once Margaret was fully trained, she herself performed and became quite famous in Mumbai. She also had her own dance school, and our very own Ipshita Malik, whom many of you know, was her student in Mumbai. So talk about a small world. Margaret also performed for Doordarshan, the famous Indian TV channel. For all her contributions to dance, she was awarded the title of Shivali Nritya Shiromani from the Shivali Cultural Society of India, a truly prestigious award. In 2006, Margaret married Sam and has, as luck would have it, moved to Moorhead, Minnesota. I clearly remember meeting her at an IAHP function and being introduced to her. I was thrilled. I had trained in Bharatanatyam in Bangalore, where I grew up, and was eager to perform classical dance again. Margaret has been my teacher, mentor, and a dear friend since then. She has trained numerous students in classical Indian dance forms, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, and Kathak. You've had the pleasure of seeing them perform at various IAGP Holi and Diwali events. Some of them have also graduated with the esteemed Arangetram performance. Aditi Katti in 2010, me, Anu Gaba in 2012, and then Ishika Gupta, Pooja Potluri, and Priya Potluri in 2016. Besides teaching dance in the Indian community, Margaret has used her talents in other immense ways. She has been awarded the Traditional Arts Apprenticeship Award for teaching Bharatanatyam for the North Dakota Council of the Arts every year since 2007. She has also been awarded the Artist in Residence Award by the North Dakota Council of the Arts numerous times and has also served on their panel. She has therefore earned the title of Master Artist. As part of the Artist in Residency Awards, she has taught art at the Jamestown Arts Center, North Dakota. She has taught Indian cooking and shared Indian food and snacks at Lake Park Audubon Public School, Minnesota. She has taught art and dance at Fort Ramsey School in North Dakota. And Margaret and me, we once taught in the Moorhead Community Education Program. We took dance lessons for people in Moorhead. Her other major achievements, in 2006, she and her students shared Indian dance with other American children and their parents. These children were Indian children adopted by American families, children adopted from India, but brought up by American families in North Dakota and Minnesota. So this was done, those families wanted us to promote Indian culture among their children. So this event was held in Fergus Falls. In 2007, she organized a very successful Indian Independence Day event with performers from IAGP and NDSU. Dances, both classical and folk, and no doubt is the most popular show at Pangaea. For all the above achievements and contributions, we, the Fargo-Moorhead Indian community and IAGP, are ever grateful to Margaret.
Everyone, youngsters and adults also, she has students. We really appreciate your help. Thank you.
The design that you see is usually a bangle called kada or mala. That is traditionally they used to give the latest artist of the country. And the panda and mala. So the silk cord and Gitanjali. So students of Margaret Sam will be performing. Jantadita tadimita kita taga 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 dingina somsarita jantadita tadimita kita taga 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 dingina somsarita jantadita
Hi everyone, this is Shilpi. So I have some goodies in my hand which any one of you can earn. But before that I would like to introduce myself. Most of you guys know me, but I am Shilpi Agarwal. I am ex-cultural host for Cultural Lesson of the Last to Last team. And those people who are new to me might be know me from the Indians in Fargo Facebook group or Desi in Fargo WhatsApp group, which I started in 2020 just to help out people who come to Fargo and Moran area. Other than that, in personal life, I have two kids who are gonna show up because they are at home right now, practice piano, 6 and 7-year-old, 8-year-old, sorry. And professionally, I work in Sanford as a software engineer. This is my introduction. Holi is also known as the festival of fruits, vegetables, Lights? You can come on the stage, please. Come. Come, Shira. What is the answer?
Colors.
What belongs to you, but it is used by everyone you meet? Divya Didi. Woohoo! Little Krisha Tulsidhar to present Ganesha song in front of all of you. Please give a round of applause.
Vinayakam Vignaharam Bhaja Gajananam Ekadantam Vinayakam Vignaharam Bhaja Gajananam Ekadantam Umasutam Vignaharam Bhaja Gajananam Mushikavahana Gajananam Modakahasta Gajananam Ekadantam Vinayakam Vignaharam Bhaja Gajananam Chamarakarna Gajananam Vinapita Supra Gajananam Vamanarupa Gajananam Maheshwara Gajananam Vigna Vinayaka Gajananam Padanamaste Gajananam Ekadantam Vinayakam Vignaharam Bhaja Gajananam Ekadantam Vinayakam Vignaharam Bhaja Gajananam Ekadantam Umasutam Vignaharam Bhaja Gajananam Mushikavahana Gajananam Modakahasta Gajananam Ekadantam Vinayakam Vignaharam Bhaja Gajananam Ekadantam Vinayakam Vignaharam Bhaja Gajananam.
Thank you so much, Krisha. Next is another disciple of Srimati Margaret Sam, which is Adya Vyas. She will be performing a Bharatanatyam dance called Swara Jhati. This year, Adya successfully completed her internship for the North Dakota Council of Arts under Srimati Sam. Please welcome Adya Vyas.
My name is Adya Vyas. I'm in 7th grade. I've been learning Bharatanatyam for 5 years, and today I'll be performing the dance Jatishva. It is the second dance of Bharatanatyam. Thank you.
Hey,
starts with T, ends with T, and has T in it?
Ajiba.
Good job. Performance, I think, which is Rajvi and Vani, and they are going to rock on this one Bollywood song. What has many keys but cannot open a single lock? Vani, please come.
Keyboard.
Good job. Related to Holi dish is often prepared and shared during Holi.
Gujia, my favorite.
थोड़ा बताइए भी आप. Okay, so our next performance is, and Avahan Nanda is going to sing, right Avahan?
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तुझे उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तुझे उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, Thank you.
Thank you so much, Awana. Are you ready for another riddle or Holi related question? What word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly? Oh, really? You deserve a prize. You deserve a candy. Please, ground. Nobody raise hand. Only a kid raise hand. Okay, now this question, I am expecting Odisha people can answer. By which name Holi is recognized in Odisha or Odisha?
It's called Dola. Dola Purnima.
Let's welcome Dr. Anugaba. Anugaba will be performing a Bharatanatyam classical called Malari. Also known as, it is also an invocation dance like Pushpanjali, seeking the blessing of God. Please welcome Dr. Anugaba. नहीं आप खाओ आप खाओ। बच्चों को शेयर नहीं करनी जो पापा लोग ले रहे हैं। Okay. Let's see who will answer. Will you answer? Yeah. What can travel all around the world? What can travel all around the world without leaving its corner?
A stamp.
Good job, Rajvi. The Holi festival marks the end of winter and the beginning of which season? Dakshina Didi, please come. Spring is the answer.
We knew it first. We said it first. Wow. Oh, we even never. फिर वो ब्रदर को बुलाया और फिर उसको बिता दिया और फिर उन्होंने आग जला दिया। फिर वो प्रहलाद ने विष्णु का नाम लिया, भगवान विष्णु का नाम लिया था और फिर वो कपड़ा उसके ऊपर चला गया और फिर होलिका जल गई और प्रहलाद बच गया और फिर उसके अगले दिन हम गुलाल से खेलते और बधाई करते हैं। हैप्पी होली।
Please, Anna. She's going to talk about the story behind Easter.
Hello, my name is Annapurna Rajesh. I'm going to tell a story of the first Easter. When Jesus died, his friends were sad. They put him in a tomb, and a large stone was placed in front of the tomb. Soldiers stood nearby to see that no one rolled the stone away. For 3 days, Jesus' body lay in the tomb. Then, in the morning of the third day, an angel came and rolled the stone away. When the soldiers saw the angel, they were afraid. That day, Jesus' friends came to the tomb. They saw that the stone had been rolled away. There was an angel in the tomb. The angel said, "He is not here, for he is risen." Jesus died so that we can all live again after we die. We have Easter to remind everyone of the day Jesus rose from the dead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anna. So, what belongs to you, but it is used by everyone you meet? Come, please, come.
Or name.
Welcome Shobanu auntie on the stage, please. This is our wall of honor, which IAGP team did, and it is showcasing the achievement of our community members over the year who made us proud. So very first slide is about Shobanu auntie, and she turned 90-year-old this year. Please welcome on the stage. I would like you all to stand up and give a standing ovation, please. Leela auntie, Manjusha ji.
I can't sing it.
We are going to sing happy birthday song for her. Please join us. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. And many more. And many more.
Many thanks and namaskar to everybody. This is a wonderful association and we must keep it growing and give the younger people an opportunity to understand what India and Indian philosophy and goodness is all about. Thank you for honoring me.
Sharbanu is our senior citizen in FM area. We are very blessed to have her here with us. Over the many years, she has done social service in the community here in FM area. And we are very proud to have her. She does lot of watercolor painting also. She is connected with the MCOM center also. So I met her in the community first in the MCOM center. I was going on Thursdays around 1 to 3 o'clock to do the watercolor painting. And she was in the International Community Ladies Club is there. She was also there in there. We used to meet her outside the community. We did not have IAGP during that time. And I'm really very happy to honor her today. Thanks everybody.
I love you all and I look forward to seeing you again and again. at various occasions and also in our homes, although right now I'm in an assisted living. It's nice to see everybody here. I wish more people could come, but I guess people have other commitments, so they are not able to come. But namaste.